Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome to Ryson's Spray Booth. And in this video, we are going to discuss a very important problem, guys, which is related to spray guns. And the problem is the availability of spray guns in India. Guys, despite of such an important tool in the autobody and painting industry, quality spray guns are very rarely available in the Indian market. Because of which, automotive enthusiasts, DIYers, autobody shop owners, everybody face problems, guys. So in this video we will discuss 6 problems with regards to automotive spray gun. So it is going to be a very interesting video, guys. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. So come on, let's start the video. So the first and the most important problem which we face because of the spray guns is limited availability. Yes, guys, these spray guns, good quality spray guns, are hardly available easily in the Indian market. Despite of the growing autobody and painting industry, the demand for the automotive spray gun is huge, but the availability is very pathetic, guys. I'm talking about good quality spray guns, guys, not the cheap ones. Because of the less availability of the good quality spray guns, the automotive enthusiasts, DIYers, autobody shop owners, everybody face the problem. And they go to the next problem, and the next problem is import. Just because the availability is less, they try to import the spray guns, guys. And when they try to import the spray guns, they come to know that the taxes which are charged for the import is just too much. Just for a 20,000 rupees spray gun, they might have to charge over a lakh, guys. And because of which, they settle down for the cheap quality spray guns. Because this barrier is created, they don't have any other option. Which takes us to the next problem, and the next problem is quality. Now, because they are using cheap quality spray guns in their paint jobs, they don't get the quality which they deserve. They have to compromise on the quality, guys. They do the same amount of work, they do all the hard work, and in the end, because they don't have the right spray gun, they don't get the right finish. They get unsatisfactory results, guys, and because of which they can do a long-term damage to the vehicle. Which takes us to the next problem, guys, and the next problem is economic impact. Now, what is economic impact? Now, because you don't get good quality in your paint jobs, people stop coming to you. Customers don't come to you anymore because they don't like your paint job. And it is not even your fault now. Just because you don't have the right tools, you can't acquire the right finish. Which stops you from growing your business because you can't get the good finish. And customers stop coming to you. Now you had hired some painters. Now they lose their job because you don't get customers and you can't pay them anymore. You can't grow because you don't get good finish. Which takes us to the next problem, and the next problem is skill development. You can't develop your skill, guys, because you don't have the right tools. You try your best, you always use the cheap guns, but you can't improve because you don't have the right guns. You don't even know when you use the right kind of good quality spray guns that you can get a better finish. You don't know how to grow there because you don't have the right tools to use. So access to the right quality spray guns is crucial, guys, for the development of your skill and your industry. Without proper tools, automotive enthusiasts, DIYers, auto body shops, they all suffer and their skill becomes stagnant and limited because they don't have the right tools. Which takes us to the last problem, guys, and the last problem is competitive disadvantage. What is competitive disadvantage? Guys, when you don't have the right spray guns, you don't get the right finish. So customers stop coming back to you. You have to close your shop. Now, the competition is less. There is only one autobody paint shop which has invested in high quality spray guns because they are there in the game for a long time and they have the money to invest. People don't have any other option. They go only to that shop. Now they can charge whatever money they want because there is no competition. They can't go anywhere else, and because of which the price of the paint job also increases. And people are ready to pay a good amount of money for a good paint job, which you can't do because you don't have the right spray guns and the right tools. And it is because the availability of good quality spray guns in the Indian market is very less. But if you talk about abroad, guys, everything is available very easily to them. They have compressor easily available, spray guns easily available, and that is the reason why there are too many DIYers abroad. They have everything available at their fingertips, guys, and they can invest in their tools very easily. But people do one mistake, guys. They invest in the tools first and then they start to learn the skill, which is a very wrong approach, guys. I have many of my students, they invest in the tools first, then they get enrolled in the course, and after that they come to know that the tools which they have invested in are of no use. And now they have learned the skill, but they don't have money to invest in the tools again. So their career stops there. But you don't do that mistake, guys. If you want to learn autobody and painting seriously and want to acquire a professional looking finish, and if you want to do your own paint jobs, if you want to paint your car, your bike, or fridge, or fan, or just about anything else, because the process is the same, you just have to know the right process. Then I have created a step-by-step course on this, guys, which will help you guys to learn this skill very easily and from the comfort of your home. So if you're interested, then I have put a link of my course in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled. Now I have more than 1,000 students, guys, and all of them have one question in common. That is, where to buy the spray guns. I try to help them as much as I can, guys. In some places, the spray guns are very difficult to get. I'm talking about quality spray guns, guys, because the cheap spray guns you will get easily on Amazon, guys. People invest in it, but it is of no use. They can't give you good finish. So I would like to call out for all those brands which produce spray guns. If you like to collaborate with me, then I'm open for collaboration. If you want to showcase your product, then you can showcase it to my audience. But before I recommend it to my audience, I will test the spray guns by myself, guys. I will test them, I will check if I'm getting good finish, and then only I will recommend to you guys. I will tell you all the pros and cons of the spray gun before I recommend it to you. So if you are a spray gun seller, then you can collaborate with me. Go in the about section of my channel and you will find my email there and you can contact me from there. So I will try my best, guys, to bring to you all the good quality autobody and painting tools with which you can learn this amazing skill set. And with that, guys, if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out until we meet again.